Don't have time to create videos? This excuse used to hold me back all the time. Well, if you want to create videos but have a crazy busy schedule, I have a solution for you, and that's batch days. Welcome back to my channel, Paigon here, and today we're going to talk about batch days. So what are batch days? It's basically days when you group similar tasks together so that you'll perform them faster and more efficiently. Well, how do you implement that into creating videos? The number one way that I use this is for planning. Every Friday, I batch my writing tasks. For example, when it comes to video, I'll choose 2 to 4 topics and I'll outline them and prepare a script for them. That means that if I wrote 4 scripts, I already have 1 month of content. And all I have to do is film them whenever I'm ready. I also like to have batch days for filming. Depending on how busy I am, I'll take out a couple of hours in a day and try to film 4 videos in a row. Of course, that's 1 month of content done in one day. If you're worried about wearing the same outfit for each video, you can just pick out 4 different outfits for filming and just switch them out. Since I'm sitting, I actually just pick 4 different tops, since that's all you see. Sometimes whenever I'm lazy, I might just pick 2 different outfits and just rotate them. Editing can be a little bit more difficult to batch. I know a lot of people hate editing and it's time consuming, but as long as you finish with planning and filming, then you can take your time with editing. I actually love editing, so I actually have batch days for editing. I'll probably edit like 2 of my videos in a day to make it faster, since I have to edit client videos and do other client work. So to recap, I'm going to show you how much time you save by using batch days. Here's a breakdown of my ideal schedule for you. If you brainstorm content in advance, which I do every 90 days, you should have about 13 content ideas. Once a month, you can sit down to write 4 scripts. Again, once a month, you can film 4 videos. And then if you have trouble editing videos for batch days, you can just edit videos once a week. You can also upload and schedule your videos in advance. So depending on how quickly you edit your videos, you can upload your video every week, or you can upload all 4 of your videos in one day. So it's dependent on how fast you edit your videos. Let me know if you have batch days for your videos or if you have batch days in general. I know I use batch days not just for my videos, but for other business tasks. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe for my latest videos. Until next week, bye.